Wah, wah, wah. I forgot that flax milk doesn't foam. I'm just having cafe au lait, vegan style. See if we can get some breakfast going. A little bit of this Thai basil. Put these in here. So much better than I expected. I know who wants some of this. Olive, come, avocado. Oops, dropped it. Dog made. Looks like some bell peppers with quinoa. Well, quinoa with bell peppers while I was at the gym. And a delicious mixture of tofu, carrot, onion, arugula from the farmer's market. It looks like there's some cherry tomatoes in there. And I'm gonna eat it right now. See how it is. See if Doug is worthy of a good yeah. A good yeah. I don't know what that means, but it is good. Maybe worthy of whatever a good yeah is. Olive is begging me. Who could blame him? Good boy. Look. He just got in his bed so he can have some tofu. Good boy. How to make your weird shit in your freezer that you haven't eaten for weeks taste good and edible and desirable. Throw it all into a pan. Look, even my fucking dog wants it. Yeah, curry powder, cinnamon, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of salt, and that's my trick. That's it, baby. This is me experiencing the shit from my freezer that I told you is edible. Proof. I'm eating it. And it's good. It's really the cinnamon. Honestly, you just gotta add some cinnamon. It's raining and it's sunny. Let me show you. I don't think you can see that it's raining. It definitely is. But it's also sunny, which is lovely. Look, and the size of these Hannah yams. They're like the best, sweetest taters ever. So I'm gonna bake these and then I'm gonna top them with Oregon wild yellowfish chanterelles with a little bit of onion, garlic, some celery, just because I'm craving that in there, kind of weird. And I'm gonna cook that all together, kind of steaky flavors, and put it on top. And since it takes so damn long for these to bake, I'm gonna make cookies in between. Chanterelles ready, clean to be marinated. Let's see how it goes. Smells so good. Okay, now that we've got that marinating, I want to make cookies, like I said, because these bad boys are still not done at all. So I'm gonna decide what kind. I think maybe double chocolate. I don't have macadamia nuts, so cashews? I think so. I was hungry, so I'm snacking on nut butter. Actually, let me take some photos. Right. Let's see if it's as steaky as intended. Looks pretty fucking hot. Oh yeah. So good. Hannah yam is like perfect thing for this actually. Because it's not too sweet like a sweet potato. And it's not like a russet.